Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color a ball. First, we are going to start by making a circle. We can take any bangle and draw the outline. Draw the outline for giving a shape like a ball, like this. Now let's make the outline with black color. Children, there are many designs to make a ball. We will draw S like this. Now fill in with your favorite color. Let's start coloring with blue. Start from the edges and fill the color like this. Be careful on the outlines. Make sure the color doesn't cross the outline. Start coloring all the edges first and then fill in the colors. Now we take the color pink and start coloring the next section. We start from the edges. Be careful and then fill it up like this. Make sure the color doesn't smudge on the line. Make sure that the color doesn't cross the outline. Fill it all the way. There should not be any gaps. Yay! The ball is ready.